Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here, and today we're going to be looking at our bug population discovery that Dr. Young and her team has made. And we're going to be looking at using all of the science skills and knowledge that we've acquired from our last unit in an effort to help Dr. Young with her discovery and the problem that she is facing. So let's take a look at what that is. So, Dr. Young and her team discovered a new species of bug that only exists on a small island that is slowly sinking into the ocean. After studying these bugs, her team found the unique traits the bugs have can be used as medicine for everything from headaches to cancer. Because their environment will soon be gone, Dr. Young's team needs to relocate the bugs into a new environment where as many of the variations in bug traits can survive for many generations. Dr. Young needs you to collect data on the population, analyze possible environments, and create a scientific argument for where to move them. Your analysis and argument for this population could save countless lives with the medicines we get from these bugs. Good luck. So, our population of bugs that we are trying to save are going to be our Lego pieces. Each Lego piece is going to represent a different type of bug, with all of the variations in the Legos representing the variations we have in our bugs. Each of these bugs can help us as a society of humans with the medicines that they can create, helping things from headaches and cancers. If you're somebody in class, you'll have bags of these bugs for you to analyze. And if you're somebody who's absent, please feel free to click on the link to access those populations. So, how are we going to help Dr. Young and analyze these populations of bugs? Well, we're going to start by classifying our bugs. Our bug populations have never been seen before and need to be analyzed based on what we observe. So, we're going to organize our new population of bugs. So, the first thing we're going to do is identify as many of the different features our bug population has and record them in our population table in task 3. So, if we're looking at our dog example here for how to go about doing this, we see that a feature is a characteristic that all the members of a species have. So we're going to be looking for those characteristics that all of our bug population and individuals share. So when we look at these dogs here in our population, we see that they all have the feature for ears. Once we've identified those features, we're going to pick one and we're going to separate our bugs on the table into groups based on the traits found within those features. So, a trait is a specific characteristic of the individual organism. So, if we're looking at that feature for ears, we're going to be organizing our dogs based on the type of ears they have. So, upright ears. So, I could take this dog here in the end, this middle dog here, the German Shepherd, and even this dog right here, and they would be a group I would separate them into and together based on the ear type. Half floppy, we'd take kind of the pit here. We take maybe this dog here. They would be our half floppy, and our full floppy would be this dog, this dog, this dog, this dog, and this dog. So we're looking to then record the traits found within each of those population features into the table for task 3. So instead of dogs, we're using bugs. And instead of features and traits like ears and what types of ears, we're looking for features and breaking them down into those traits. So that's how we're going to start by classifying our bugs to help us figure out what environment could we put them in and what the best place we could argue them for would be. So that's how we're going to be completing the next set of tasks, and that's the problem we're looking to solve. So take a second in your survey. Do you understand the bug population problem we're trying to solve? And how to begin collecting data on the features and traits found within the bug population? If your answer is yes, put your X in green. If your answer to one of those is no, put it in yellow. If your answer to both of those is no, put it in red. This is the first place we'll be looking at utilizing our focus skill and practicing this as we look to help Dr. Young. As always, if you put your X in yellow or red, reach out and let's go ahead and begin task 3 and analyzing and observing and recording the bug features and bug traits that we have. Good luck.